Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we're comparing two popular options, the Thermaltake Smart 600W and the Corsair RM1000e. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Thermaltake Smart 600W is priced at an affordable $54, making it an attractive option for budget builds. In contrast, the Corsair RM1000e comes in at $179, which is significantly higher. While the Corsair offers more features and higher wattage, the price difference is something to consider for those on a budget. Next, let's talk about wattage. The Thermaltake Smart 600W provides a solid 600 watts of power, suitable for most mid-range systems. However, the Corsair RM1000e offers a whopping 1,000 watts, making it ideal for high-performance builds that require more power, such as gaming rigs with multiple graphics cards. This difference in wattage can significantly impact your system's performance and stability. Finally, let's examine the modularity of these power supplies. The Thermaltake Smart 600W features a non-modular design, which can lead to cable clutter inside your case. On the other hand, the Corsair RM1000e is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need for your components. This not only improves airflow, but also makes cable management much easier, resulting in a cleaner build. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake 600W is a budget-friendly option that offers reliable performance, while the Corsair RM1000e provides higher wattage, modularity, and efficiency. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.